Happy Monday, lovely people. Coupon Crystal here with my Monday Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I decided to go ahead and finish my weekend whiteboard bonus. I had to do 18 rebates in order to get $5, and I decided to finish it up on Sunday, guys. I got a couple of items that I hadn't gotten before, so I wanted to share those rebates with you. So my first rebate, guys, was on the Summer's Eve. This is the Active Cleansing Wash. Now, this was priced $4.24 in my Walmart. I actually used this past Sunday's $1 coupon for the Summer's Eve Active. But on the coupon, it says it's for the gel and for the spray, which is a new, I guess, version of the Active. But that coupon did work, guys. That made my cost in store be $3.24. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate. Final cost $2.24. Now, the next thing I did was on the Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk by Borden. I like this product because I use this in desserts, and I even used it in my coleslaw. This price was $2.24. No coupon. There's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.39. Next rebate I did was on my Flips white fudge pretzels. I like these things. Now, these were priced $2.92 in my Walmart. No coupon, but there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. Final cost $2.17 for the Flips. The Kraft mac and cheese rebate came back, and it's cheap, and I'm doing it. Okay, I can always give this product away, which I have a bag of stuff to give away because I'm not going to eat all this mac and cheese. Okay, now the Kraft mac and cheese was 98 cents. There is no coupon, but there's 35 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 63 cents for the Kraft mac and cheese. I did get my all laundry again, priced $2.97. There's a $1.50 insert coupon that I used. Cost in store was $1.47. $1 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 47 cents for the laundry. And I'm going to keep picking that up as long as that rebate is out there because it's cheap laundry. Now, the next thing I got was my Lysol wipes. I am stocking up on my Lysol wipes. I use this product all the time. But you never know if this winter how it's going to be, and if we ain't going to be able to find this stuff on the shelf, you need to take advantage of this, okay? The Lysol wipes, okay, are priced $2.34. I had to purchase two so I could use the coupon. Makes it be $4.77 in store. There's $1 off of two insert coupon, making the cost be $3.77 is what I had to pay. 50 cents coming back for each one from Ibotta. Final cost $2.77. For the two. I'm okay with that because y'all know we ain't been getting a discount in no shape, form, or fashion with the Lysol wipes. All right, my Coca-Cola. Got the Coca-Cola again. It was $1.88, I believe. I'm sorry, guys, I didn't write it down. But I do believe the Coke was $1.88. No coupon, but 25 cents back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.63. My smart water. I didn't get the lemon this time. This time I had to get a different flavor. This is the tangerine extract, but it's cheap rebate, okay? $1.58, 50 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.08 for the smart water. All right. Had to, of course, get my, oh, they upside down. Had to, of course, get my Always Z's, okay? My Always are $3.97. There is no coupon, but there's $2 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.97 for those. Had to get my Popcorn Indiana. The Popcorn Indiana. This stuff is just so tasty. It's $2.68. No coupon. $1 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.68. Now, I think my daughter owes me a bag. I could have sworn I heard her tell me that she bought me a bag. Collecting my popcorn, twin. All right, the next rebate was on the Z-Grip pens. I got a whole basket of these pens, but it's ink pens. Why would I not want to get this? The price for the pens were $2.94. No coupon, $1.50 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.44. This is a great back-to-school donation item. Next rebate was on the Jet Puff Marshmallows. Check your date. And make sure you're getting a date like me that's in December, so you can use these at Christmas time or hot chocolate time. They'll still be good. All right, so the marshmallows were $1.76, no coupon. There's $1 coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost 76 cents. That was great, guys. That was a good haul, I felt. And look what I found on clearance. They had readers on clearance for $2.50. All right, we're gonna pop them out the pack though. Ooh, $2.50, guys. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I was trying to read little stuff in the store. I was like, you better do it. And these things feel like they almost got, I'm about to say, they feel like they got the little pop back, like expensive glasses have the little pop back to them. But look, they also have a pack. I'm going back and get me some more. Stop playing. They had these things on clearance for $2.50. And Crystal is, well, see, I don't want these little plastic things on there. But I'm going to go back to the store probably today and get me some more pairs because I have readers all over my house. I probably just need to just go to the eye doctor because I got vision. And see, this is the thing about readers, okay? I just need them on when I can't see something, which is typically in the morning. In the morning, Crystal first wake up, it's like, dang, I can't see that. What that say? So, yeah. And they got this little cute little pack. $2.50, you can't beat that. Dollar Tree readers, that's what I be buying, okay? They be working. But these right here look like they a little fancier than Dollar Tree. So that's the reason. And they scratch resistant. It's worth the additional $1.50 because these are scratch resistant. Because to me, the Dollar Tree ones tend to scratch pretty easily. So yeah, going back to Wally World and get me some more readers. I hope you guys have a wonderful and amazing Monday. And I will holler at you guys later. Bye-bye.